All right, it's Saturday. I'm going thrifting and I'm going to share with you what I got. All right, first store, I spent $20 total. I got 2 Wii remotes. I'll bundle these up for like $36 to $40 to shipped. I got 2 sealed Sons of Anarchy sets, 1 and 2. I'm not sure if I'll sell those now. Those are $1 each, or I'll wait till I find some more. Torchbearer sealed. This goes for about 15 to 20. Modern Family Season 1 sealed. That was $1 as well. If I put it up, I'll put it for like 13. If not, I'll just save it for a lot or something. I found the Fast and Furious album for 99 cents. There's, I think, one other new one out there maybe, but it goes for like 15 bucks. A cool score here is a Rawlings catcher's mitt. This is a left-hand throw, so a little more rare. That's why I picked this one up. So overall, that's pretty good for 20 bucks. Let's head to the next one. Don't you just hate it when you go to a store and you find something? For me, it's usually a DVD set, and you're like, oh yes, I know how much this one is, I'm gonna get it, and then there's missing discs. Or it's damaged. Oh man, profit just right out of your hands. But I spent $4, bought this Shailene Extreme. It's a Beachbody set. I'm gonna put this up on Mercari. I'm just slowly building up Mercari with Beachbody items. And then Sims 2 Seasons Expansion Pack. This should get about $15 on eBay. All right, let's head to the next one and see what they got. All right, the only item I bought is this camcorder replacement battery. It's not OEM, but it fits a few different models right there. I paid $5 for it, and it should go for about $30 to $40 shipped. All right, this one was a crazy score. I spent, I think, like $28 altogether. So I'll show you everything I got. I got like this P90X one-on-one volume 3, whatever it is, for $2. I got this Just Dance Kids, volume 2. I'll lock that up with another one. That was for like $3. For about $8, I got this Xbox 360 miscellaneous bag. It's got the power strip in there, or it's got the power bank. It's got a bunch of AV cables, but the reason why I got it was for 2 things in there, or actually 3. There is a network adapter in there that should go for about $30. There's a memory card. I saw at least 1 memory card in there. That will go for about $15. And then I found a cable that attaches to the remote, a charging cable as well, which always goes good in bundles as well. So really good little pickup there. Nice little score, miscellaneous stuff that I always use. Found an Xbox controller. This was $349 before 20% off. That'll go in a bundle. Xbox 360 controller for $349. That will go in another bundle. But the main thing I found is this JVC system. I paid $10 after all my discounts on it. It is a DVD HDD video recorder. This thing goes for crazy prices. There's only one listed out there right now. It's at $429 and it's got like 4 watchers. The remote itself goes for about $40 to $50, and I got the remote attached to it as well on here. The only thing that I know of this that there's an issue of is when you turn it on, it says loading. I did a quick search on the forums, and it sounds like it is a common issue on it. Some people figure out how to fix it, so I'll probably sell it for parts, and I'll put it up for like $300 as is for parts and let someone fix it. So it is a really rare unit, so I'm gonna just put it up and take a shot at it. It was only 10 bucks. And if I can't sell the system, I could still sell the remote for $50 and make some really good money on it. So it's kind of like a home run that I'm going for on this one, but it may turn out to be like a double, which is all right. You know, you gotta take chances on this type of stuff. So we'll see how it goes. So let's head to the next one and see if I can find another home run. All right, here's the latest pickup I got. It is a double feature. It's sealed still. It is Cornbread Earl and Me and Coolie High. This one went for $1. It was like 97 cents. They had 25% discount on it, and it goes for, it looks like around $30, $35 new. So keep an eye out for this one. Each of these alone go for about like $15 to $20 new. So I'll say probably 35 and probably sell it in, I don't know, a week or two. All right, this latest store, I just got 2 pickups. I spent like 13 bucks altogether. I got size. This should go for like 20 to 25. I spent $1 on that. Then I spent $12.49 on this combo unit by Sony. It's actually got 2 remotes on there. I tested the unit. Seems like it's working. I just gotta hook it up to AV, make sure all the outputs are doing well. But just if both these remotes work, I'm gonna sell one of them separately for about $20 to $25, and then the combo unit and one remote for probably about $125 is what it's looking like. So pretty good ROI for both of those items. It's pretty light out here this week. I'm not sure if it's just there's a lot more people thrifting or not enough people donating when it comes to it. So it's just been a really light weekend. But the good thing is I found some solid scores. All right, last store I spent $5. I got these 2 ABBA DVDs. They should go for about $30 shipped. And then the DVD score of the weekend is this The Big Valley Season 1 set. It's a 5-disc set, spent $3 on it, and this goes for about $45 to $50 used. So that was a great way to end the weekend, finding a DVD set for 50 bucks, also the 2 ABBA DVDs for 30 bucks, so $5 into 80, you know, you can't beat that. Now, thank you for joining me this weekend. If you like videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. Also smash that thumbs up for me because it'll really help me out. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.